Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare steamed fish with black bean sauce. Black bean is an ingredient widely used in Cantonese cuisine. Want to know how to do it? Let's dive in and take a look. Right, this is the fish. I bought it from the market yesterday. It has been gutted and cleaned by the fishmonger. You have to clean it thoroughly, especially the belly. Alright, now the fish is clean. You can see the water is no longer murky and dirty. So now it's ready for steaming. But before that, it is a good practice to pour some hot water onto the fish, as most of the Chinese chef is doing. Pour some hot water to the fish. It is a practice for most of the Chinese chef to remove the unwanted smell. Cut the ginger into slices. And then cut half of them into julienne. Next, the scallion. Make a cut in between the green and the white section. As for the green section, cut it into 5 to 6 centimeters like this. We will put these sections into the fish belly during steaming. As for the remaining section, cut it into very fine strips like this. This is to be used as a topping to garnish the fish later. Put a scallion into some water, preferably cold water. It will curl up naturally. Drain on the paper kitchen towel, and it can be used to garnish the fish. Next, cut the red chili into thin slices and set aside. Next, we have some very traditional Chinese ingredients. This is the dry tangerine peels. It looks like this. And you need to hydrate it first before you use it. So, I have soaked it in water for about at least half an hour. And then I'll mince it finely, chop it finely before I mix it with the black bean. The inclusion of these dry tangerine peels make it very authentic, and it has a very strong aromatic smell. Now let's prepare the black bean paste. I'm using the mortar and pestle. If you don't have one, just put everything onto the chopping board and coarsely chop everything and combine together. This is the black bean. Chopped garlic. The tangerine peel that we have just prepared. And a bit of wine, Chinese wine, some sugar, half teaspoon of sesame oil, plus a tablespoon of cooking oil. Any cooking oil will do. And then mix all together. And that is the black bean paste that we are going to use to steam the fish. Back to the fish that has been cleaned and washed. Make a few slits diagonally on the surface. Then insert the green section of the scallion into the belly, along with some ginger slices and take some julienne ginger, insert into the cuts that we have created. You can remove it later, but you can just leave it there. It's going to help to enhance the flavor and at the same time remove any unwanted smell. Put the white section of the scallions inside the plate. Then transfer the fish and put it on top of the scallion sections so that it creates a space between the fish and the plate. And it is very useful to improve the circulation of steam during steaming. Spread the black bean paste evenly on top of the fish. Put some water in the wok and wait until it is boiling. Put a steamer rack at the center and then put your fish right on top and cover it and steam for 8 minutes for this fish, which is about 700 grams. If you have a bigger fish, you may need to increase the time. You can see that there's plenty of water down here which is released by the fish. We are going to discard this water because we will replace it with our soy sauce mixture. And also, if the fish is not really that fresh, this water can be a little bit smelly. The internal temperature should be about 60 degrees at least, or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you do not have the kitchen thermometer, just take a look. The eye is protruded and the flesh is become very soft and can be detached from the bone easily. That is when the fish is cooked. Stop and do not overcook it because otherwise the meat of the fish will become tough. Mix a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of water, and half teaspoon of sugar in a small pan. Heat up the mixture until the sugar dissolves. Place the fish on the clean plate. Pour the soy sauce over it. Top with the scallion and ginger. Lastly, heat up some cooking oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Pour the hot oil over the scallion and let it sizzle. And the scallion is now cooked and become aromatic. And it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and gonna make this at home. You can download the recipe by following the link in the description right below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.